Hey Robert, my name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to bring more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? The answer is, oftentimes in the world of internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation that they have to hire someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I've found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free, this has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Alex, please do this for me. So by the end of this video, you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I've got a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with. Shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you and do it yourself, that works for me too. I just ask for a little feedback on my video. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So those 3 things are content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing is content. So I'm on your site right here. Short little homepage. Just fine. It shows you everything you do, shows you the area that you're working in. I threw you in this web page word counter because Google does rank you off of how many words are on there and the keywords that are on there. And Google usually wants about 1,500 words to be optimized, and you guys have about 220 words right now. I've been looking on here. This is where I found you, just searching towing Grand Junction. Looks like the top 2 are these Dan's Towing, DJ Towing, Liberty, Dan's, Gagardi's, DJ again, Dan's, and there you are. Black's Towing, not far from the top, but you're not there. And I'm going to show you how to get there today. So we can take this Dan's Towing, take their website, also throw it in here. And that's not working. But you can see their website was pretty small as well. D&J looks to have a little bit more, but probably even less words than you, which is great. You've got some, and we can definitely build upon that. Use those words, use the keywords that are in there. Build it out a little bit. Because every month people are searching for these towing services thousands of times, and you want to be number one. You want to be the one helping out because you want to be the best on the west, best on the western slope, because that's you, Black's Towing. So we'll jump in here. This is a free tool that I use. It's called SEMrush or SEO Quake, same thing. It is a free tool if you just want 10 searches a day. I pay a little over $100 for it each month because it's an awesome tool. It can really show you how your company's doing, how your business is doing online, and compare it to the other your top competitors in the area. So the next thing that we're going to go into is citations. So citations are what rank you in this map pack, this Google map pack. And as you can see, it's got your name, your address, and your phone number on each of these. Your NAPS, NAPS, name, address, and phone numbers. And it does look like you are down here in the map pack, so you're there, but still a little ways from the top. And SEMrush helps us analyze those citations right here under the referring domains. We can also look on here. Looks like your competitors got 17. You've only got 13 right now. But the nice thing about this is just the list of how many times that name, address, and phone number is listed across the web, and it shows you where it's listed: super pages, yellow pages. For you guys, you've got it on website detection, yellow pages, super pages as well, local databases. So mostly directories, like yellow pages and these other ones that you are seeing. And the nice thing is you can just go in to your competitors, which I have D&J Towing GJ right here, which was one of those top competitors. And you can just go in each one of these. Obviously you already have these two, but we can just go in here, fill out your information, get your information on that directory, and show Google that you've got more of these referring domains, more of those citations linking back to you, showing them that you should be at the top of this map pack. And there's even places on Facebook and all across the web. We can get you obviously 17. We can get you 100, 200 to just beat out Dan's and DJ by a landslide. So the third thing I want to cover with you is another important aspect of Google. We call this thing that gives your site the authority: backlinks. You can see that when we search for towing Grand Junction, your site is not number one, which we've talked about. Not number one in that map pack, and not number one in this organic listings. These organic listings are ranked by these backlinks. So simply put, backlinks work like this. It's one site that is directly linking back to your site. But not all backlinks are created equal. The backlinks you obtain work a lot more effectively when you have more relative sites linking back at you. For example, we can look on D&J Towing, because they were ahead of you on the organic section of that. We can look in their backlinks. Looks like they've got 66. Looks like you've got 100. So you should be beating these guys, right? But they've just got a little more relevant backlinks. They've got auto repair, towing, locksmiths, tow truck. Again, there can be some yellow pages in here. There can be blogs in here. We can link your website back from all sorts of places. And it looks like there's some towing stuff in here as well. Go Truck Go. More directories still. Top 50 most naked sweet yoga lady. That's not going to be the most relevant site linking back to you. But that's all right that it's there. And what we do, again, is just come back in here, use all of what your competitor has. We get you ranked in all these relevant ones, and then we find 100 more. We find 100 more relevant sites, 200 more if you really want, and we just beat those guys out by a landslide. They've just got, I know they've got less, but theirs are more relevant than yours, and that is what is putting them higher here on those organic listings, those organic rankings and the results. So once again, we went over the content. We want your front page to have at least 1,500 words, and then each one of those back pages, we're going to want to have at least 500 with some keywords spread out in there, which you can do keyword research in here. I can show you how to do that, and I'd love to do that for you if I can. Next thing is those citations. So these referring domains, you had 13, I think they had 17, but let's get you 100 more, let's get you 300 more, and beat out that competition. Just crush them. Be at the top of Google, show Google that you are the authority. With those backlinks as well, that's the third thing, those backlinks. You need the more relevant sites pointing back to you guys today to show Google that you are the authority. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 303-625-3623. Once again, my name is Alex. I can get you ranked to the top of Google, and my number is 303-625-3623. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.